No, no, but you just drink out of my cup.
No.
2 girls, 2 cups.
Whatever.
Oh, shoot. You drink out of my cup. It's not cool. My cup.
My name's Lexi.
Hi.
My name is Bella.
Shut up. My name's Bella. And welcome to Celebrity Talk. 2 girls, 2 cups. And today we're going to talk about Justin Bieber. Now, if you don't like Justin Bieber, it's that simple. Don't watch this video. Yeah? Okay. So, first we're going to talk about his luscious hair. Oh, his hair. Okay.
Hello.
What do you think about his hair, Lexi?
I love his hair. It's like the way
Well, first, can I ask you this? Do you have Bieber fever?
I have Bieber virus.
No, you just killed it.
Whatever. Anyway.
So, first, I just want to point out, I don't like Selena Gomez.
Yes, because
Beep. I just, I know it's stupid that I'm usually never going to, be with Justin Bieber, but... Come on, that was so good. That was so good. What'd you do?
Brianna,
Yes.
there's a little puppy up here.
What?
Somebody?
Puppy?
Little white dog.